Hello guys, I'm Charan Sinelisi Concepcion from College of Teachers Education, major in Social Studies 2B. I will show you the 4 spheres of the Earth and I will choose one sphere of the Earth which we're to focus and to discuss to you. Okay, let's get started. Everything in the Earth system can be placed into one of 4 major subsystems: land, water, living things, and air. These 4 subsystems are called spheres. Especially, they are the lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and atmosphere. Lithosphere, the rigid outer part of the Earth consisting of the crust and the upper mantle. Next is the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere consists of the water that is on the surface of the planet, underground, and in the air. Next one is the biosphere. Biosphere is consists of all sum of ecosystems. Now, let me discuss to you the atmosphere. The atmosphere is the protective layer which surrounds the Earth. Atmosphere also the highest layer of the Earth. Now, let's proceed to the focus of this discussion, the layers of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is a protective layer of gases which surrounds the Earth. If the Earth was the size of an apple, our atmosphere would be only as thick as the apple's skin. The atmosphere is made up of 1% of other gases, 21% oxygen, 78% nitrogen. Allows life to exist on Earth by protecting us from the harmful beats of the sun's radiation, whilst also keeping the Earth warm through a process known as the greenhouse effect. The atmosphere is split into 4 main layers based on temperature. The troposphere is the lowest, starting at the Earth's surface and extending upward to an average 10 km. We live in this part of the atmosphere and nearly all weather happens here. Most clouds appear in the troposphere because 99% of the atmosphere's water is found here. As you get higher in the troposphere, the air gets colder. Next comes the troposphere, which extends from the top of the troposphere to about 50 km. The stratosphere contains the ozone layer, which absorbs high-energy ultraviolet light, converting it into heat. In the stratosphere, the air actually gets warmer the higher you go. Above the stratosphere is the mesosphere, which extends upwards the height of around 80 km. Most meteors burn up in this layer. The mesosphere is the coldest layer of the atmosphere. It is the coldest this layer and can fall as low as negative 100 degrees Celsius. The highest part of the most considered to the Earth's atmosphere is the thermosphere, which extends to between 500 km and 1,000 km. Temperatures can vary from between 500 to 1,000 degrees Celsius on high, although at this latitude the air is so thin that it is not the same as temperatures we experience at the surface. The aurora, the northern lights, and southern lights occur in the thermosphere. The International Space Station also orbits in this layer. We are done to the layers of the atmosphere. I hope it will help to you to gain knowledge, or rather, you will learn to this discussion. Thank you!